write this. Say our second bath.
Sorry.
She's scared.
Yeah. So cute.
You know it's not recording, right? I'm gonna hit the record button.
Oh, yeah, I'm not recording it. I'm just holding the phone. And I'm looking at Brownie. She's so cute.
I need to get regular bath wash because this is flea and tick.
Oh.
So I need to get regular. Maybe I'll return that and be like, that's not the one I needed. Can I exchange it for the other one? Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Are you gonna poop?
She poops in the back. I'm laughing so hard.
No. Oh God. Let's take her out because I don't want her to poop on here.
And just so you know, I got that on video. She's pooping. I'm kidding.
Even though I just got a... Can you give me the towel?
You say I'm recording this.
Okay. Snuggle, snuggle.
Where's the Brownie? There she is.
Not sure exactly how old she is. She was giving us to us when she was still like a tiny puppy. So I gotta take her to the vet to find out.
Yeah.
Well, you can record her outside if you want.
Okay.
Well, let me put shoes
This
on
is
before
the
we go
viewers. Back from the hospital. So no more recording? Okay, it's recording. Okay, stop. Here you go.
Thanks. Except you're still recording.
Yeah.
What, are you gonna post it on your channel?
No. I'm just recording to record.
So this is our messy kitchen.
Oh. There's a cute little Brownie.
She looked like she had a poop, so we're gonna take her out. Why do I really need that?
Hi. The amazing outdoors. It's so bright out here. Let's see if she'll play with you. Mom, she's playing with you. She's so cute. Oops, sorry, I wasn't paying attention, so that was off camera.
She's gotta go poop. She's not gonna go in the house.
She's so cute.
Get in it no more. Why don't you go play with her?
Come on, Brownie. You gotta get me.
She thinks she's big and tough, but she's really not. Say my daughter just got back today from the hospital. She wasn't feeling good. But she's all better now. That's why she got that Band-Aid on her arm.
Seriously, I already said that.
Did you really?
Myself.
Whoops. Well, now you guys know again twice. In case you forgot the first time.
In the bathroom, I said we're back from the hospital. I don't know. Camera.
What? Why is she running after me? She's supposed to be playing with Diana.
She likes. She's fast.
She is. Our little turd. She's probably the size of a guinea pig right now. Chewing on what? I don't know what that is.
There's one little strand of grass that she's chewing on.
For some reason, she's still kind of scared of the sidewalk. I don't know why.
Are you gonna walk with us?
Oh, she's doing it. Maybe because she knows everybody's gonna see. She's like, let me show everybody I'm strong.
Come on, girl.
Okay, I'm gonna pick her up now so she doesn't get lost in the kids' room. Oh, or not.
See, she tries to run. It's so weird. Hello. Hello, Brownie. Say hi. Hi.
So you got a grass in your eye. No,
Say hi. Hi. Quick update. She got grass in her eye.
Say bye.
She okay?
Say human grandma got it out.
Yeah, your grandma.
Yeah, your
Mom.
mom. Okay, stop there. I'm gonna put her out back so she's way out there.
She'll go out back.
Yeah, I tired of the little stick thingy. Turn him, come on, move. She was out back.
What'd you say, Mom? I didn't hear you.
I'm not repeating myself because you're recording now. Say, I want to be cool like Daddy. Make videos like Daddy.
Just so you know, this is not sponsored.
It should be, though. Give me some money, Daddy. I'm advertising you. Just kidding. Surprisingly, our grass got cut today. Or yesterday, I don't know.
Why did you get
But
cut?
I need to get a stick so I can make her let her run around more.
Oh, what is that? Ew!
What?
Mom!
What?
Beetle!
Oh.
Ew! I don't see where it went.
It's alright, it should be okay.
Brownie, you can have a fun little time out here for now. So, bye-bye.
And I don't know what our neighbor was thinking that lived with us before.
What?
But they have a car there that's just growing into a plant.
Oh, yeah. I see a lizard on it.
It's been here for like 3 years now. Maybe more, I don't know.
No, it
This is her wanting to come get the phone to watch the video, so I'm going to stop it now. Say, bye, guys. See you later. Look, she hasn't brushed her teeth in a couple of days. They're so nasty.